Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram microphone is not working. So let's get started. Well, the first thing we can do to fix that problem is to go in your settings. Once you're in your settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Now tap on permissions. Again, tap on the second option, permissions. Now scroll all the way down and look for microphone, and here it is. So tap on it. Now scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. And as you see here, it is set to don't allow. So here, make sure to set it to one of these two options. Here, for example, I'm going to choose allow only while using the app. However, if you already give microphone access for Instagram and it still doesn't work, well, the problem, it might be on the microphone itself, which is at the very bottom of your phone. So you can get a soft brush and try to clear out the speaker, and that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.